your question is, in the triangle ABC with vertices A 2, 3, B 4, -1 and C 1, 2. Find the equation and length of altitude from the vertex A. First we will draw it. So this is your triangle. So this is your A, this is B and this is your C. The coordinates of A is 2, 3, B is 4, -1 and C is 1, 2. What he has told you, find the equation and length of altitude. Altitude means height from the vertex A. That means this, from here to here. So this, suppose this point is your D point. We have to find out the equation of this line and the altitude, that means length. Length means from here to here, what it is, that we have to find out. That is your distance. Now, what we have to do first? First, this B and C is there. These are the 2 points we know. First, we find out the slope of this. The slope is what? That is your M1 is equal to what? Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. Substitute these two values here. We will get M1 is equal to Y2, that means 2 minus of -1, that is +1, by X2 is 1 minus 4 is equal to 3 by -3, that is equal to -1. So M1 is -1. What is your M2 now? M2. M2 is reciprocal of this and change the sign. We will get M2 is equal to 1, only 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1, by 1 is 1 and change the sign means -2 plus, you will get 1. Y means the product of these two is equal to -1. That's why we got 1. First we will find out the equation of this line. Then only we will find out the coordinate of this. So equation of this line is what? We will write that equation is what? Y minus Y1 is equal to, what is that? M into X minus X1. M we know. M into X minus X1. These are the form. Why we have written M? Y means we know the M, that is -1. Now substitute these values, what we will get? Y minus Y1. Y1 is your -1, that means +1 here. It will come here +1 is equal to, M is what? -1. -1 into X minus X1 is what? X minus X1. X1 is 4. We will get Y plus 1 is equal to minus X plus 4. Bring this to this side. We will get X plus Y plus 1 minus 4. That gives you 0. That means X plus Y minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation for this line. Now we will find out the here equation of this line. How we will find out? We know the slope, that is your M2. So now it come as equation is what? Same, put the values. We know the value is 2 and 3. We will get y minus y1 is 3 is equal to m is 1, x minus x1 is 2. Solve this. Y minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Now what we will get? Bring this to this side or this to this side. X is here positive. We will get x minus y minus 2 plus 3. That gives you 0. That means x minus y plus 1, that is equal to 0. So this is your equation for this line. Now we will find out the distance between this equation and the point 2, 3. Then only we will get the distance now. So how we will get it? So we know that D is equal to modulus of AX plus BY plus C by root over A square plus B square. Now we will write the value of A and B and C. What is your A now of this equation? So we have done this equation as what? Yes, this one. A is 1, B again is 1, C is equal to minus 3. Substitute these values here. We will get what? Modulus of 1. A is 1. 1 into x. What is your x? X is 2 now. We know the point. X is 2. So 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3 and minus 3 by A square plus B square. That means root over 1 square plus 1 square is 2. So now we get that 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into 3 is 3 and minus 3. That is modulus by root over 2. So you can see 3 and minus 3 gone. So now you will get 2 by root 2. That is equal to, we can say it's a root 2. Distance is root 2 unit. If they have given the values, you can write this root 2 as 1.414. That is equal to 1.414 unit.